How to share NGL link on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and then search for NGL app. Now make sure that it is updated to its latest version on your device because outdated applications or versions of the application could hamper your experience with the application. So just check for any updates. Now as you can see, there's no updates available for this application on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of the application. Now after going to the home page, you can see the option of copy your link over here. So just tap on copy link. Okay, and now to share it to your WhatsApp application, now just go to your WhatsApp application, and after that you can choose any of your chats or any of the profile that you want to share this link to. Now just tap and paste this link over here and send it to the person, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.